Bishop Israel Makamu arrested. The NPA has confirmed that Bishop Israel Makamu was indeed arrested earlier today with charges of scandal assault. Phindi Mjonondwane said Makamu was arrested after a former employee of his church laid a complaint of scandal assault on 19 May 2021 at the Brackendowns South African Police Service. The case relates to an incident that allegedly happened in his church office in Hull Road during September 2018, said Phindi. She laid charges after an audio clip that went viral on social media, exposing the bishop to allegedly asking for a poke. She also told Breaking News that the case was remanded to 13 July 2021 for further investigations. The Palm Ridge Magistrates Court released Bishop Israel Makamu on a 2000 bail following a brief appearance on a charge of scandal assault, said Phindi. The father of the girl said he doesn't have much to say, but they'll have to see how the law proceeds with this case. He just hopes that his daughter will get justice. Daily tried to contact Makamu several times but we couldn't get a hold of him.